Class 12 student, class 12, that is circular motion. Let a body is moving with a uniform circular motion, So here, this is the center. Now, this is your center. First at point P, and this is your origin. Center is at the origin. So here, center is at the origin. C, the center is at the origin. So this is the position vector of this point P, and it is with velocity v, and after time delta t, let the time be t, and after time t plus delta t, it's at point P dash, that is after t plus delta t, it is at point P dash, and its position vector is r dash. So, and the velocity here is v dash. Now see, tangentially, this velocity is tangentially, so this is your v dash, and here this is your v. So here this will be your delta v. You can apply the triangle law, and here this will be delta r. By applying triangle law, you can find it out this. Now here you see that your delta v is directed. It is directed towards the center, of the circle. It is directed towards the center of the circle. Now you know that average acceleration, that will be equal to delta v dash by delta t. So your magnitude will be, let me take the magnitude of this. This will be limit delta t tends to 0, delta v by delta t. So this will be equal to limit delta t tends to 0. This is the magnitude by delta t. Now you can name this triangle as G, I and H. Your triangle CPP dash is similar triangle GIH. So sides are proportional. Delta V by your this V will be equal to magnitude R by R. So your delta V, that will be equal to V delta R by R. So here your magnitude of this acceleration, this will be equal to limit delta t tends to 0, because here this is average velocity. When I made limit delta t tends to 0, therefore it becomes to acceleration. So this will be delta v by delta v by delta t. So here you see the value of magnitude of delta v. I'm going to place it here. So limit delta t tends to 0, so So this delta v value is this v delta r, this is r by r and delta t. So now it is that if your delta t is small, if delta t is small, then your delta theta, this is delta theta tends to 0. So your arc uh, p p dash will become equal to delta r. This will become to delta r, your pp dash. So this is very small, so your velocity will be limit, this velocity will be limit uh, delta t tends to 0. I'm going to take the magnitude, so delta r vector by delta t, this will be your velocity. So your this magnitude of acceleration, this becomes your, this is v, this value is v, so v by r into v, so this is equal to v square by r, and this is called as centripetal acceleration. So this is a centripetal acceleration, this is centripetal acceleration, and is directed and is directed towards the center of the circle, and it is directed towards the center of the circle. This is the formula for centripetal acceleration. So here we have taken a average, and when we put limit delta t tends to 0, it becomes acceleration. So this is the magnitude of acceleration, similar. So I am going to find out the magnitude of this acceleration, and so this acceleration, it becomes, this is called the centripetal acceleration, and it is always directed towards the center of the circle. So this is all about circular motion.